Guys, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and in today's video I will be showing you to log into Charter email account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser of your choice. Here I'm going with Google Chrome. Now Charter has been upgraded to Spectrum, so you have to type in spectrum.net on the search URL. Once you press enter on your keyboard, that will take you to the official page of Spectrum, from where you will be able to sign in or create a new account. Now if you don't have an account yet, you can click on this create a username button on your interface and follow the procedure to create a new account. Here, since we already have an account, so click on sign in button. Sign in page, where you will see two fields to enter your username and your password. So first of all, enter your username associated with the Charter email account. Once you're done with that, now under the password field, enter your correct password. After that, if you want to stay signed in on your desktop, click on this box that says stay signed in on this device. And in case you forgot your username or password, you can simply recover that if you click on this link provided that says forgot username or password, and that will help you to recover your account. After done typing in your username and your password, click on sign in button to get access to your Charter email account. Once you logged in successfully, you will be directed to the Charter email account inbox, where you will be able to send and read emails. So that's how you can log into your Charter email account. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Don't forget to comment down below as well. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.